Good morning, my dear students. It gives me great pleasure to talk to a student through video presentations like this. In the previous two video presentations, I discussed three problems each on trigonometry. In this particular presentation, we'll discuss some more problems on trigonometry which may be very useful for students of class 11 and 12 of any board for that matter. Please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and bell icon. The very idea of subscription is if any new video is being uploaded, you will get automatic notification. You can watch whichever video which is needed for your career as per your syllabus given in your board. The first problem meant for today, it goes like this. Using a suitable formula, find the value of sine 180 degrees. In fact, you know very well sine 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. These are the five angles for which you know sine value as well as cos value, etc. Therefore, I can very well write this as, in terms of known quantity, 3 into 60 degrees you can write this way. Now sine 3a, recall the formula, 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Anybody knows? Now for using which, here you mean to say 3 sine 60 degrees minus 4 sine cube 60 degrees. Therefore this is reduced to 3 into root 3 by 2 minus 4 into root 3 by 2 the whole square. Therefore this is reduced to 3 into root 3 by 2 minus 4 into 3 root 3 by, of course, whole cube here. This is 8. This will anyway get cancelled 2. Therefore this is reduced to anyway 0. Therefore I automatically end up with sine 180 degrees. The value is 0. I repeat, you know the trigonometric values of 0 degree, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees without even looking into the logarithmic tables. Okay, you need not look into any table, you know by heart. Now for sine 180 degrees can be written as sine 3 instead of 60 degrees. Just recall the formula, sine 3a is 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Instead of a, I have 60 degrees. Now using this formula, it gets reduced to 3 sine 60 degrees minus 4 sine cube 60 degrees. 3 into root 3 by 2 minus 4 into, by mistake I wrote it as square here, sorry, it is cube. Earlier I wrote it as square. 4 into root 3 by 2 the whole cube. 3 into root 3 by 2 minus 4 into root 3 into root 3 is 3, therefore into root 3 becomes 3 root 3. 2 cube is 8. 3 root 3 by 2 means 3 root 3 by 2 0. You know very well sine becomes 0 at every multiple of pi. Sine 0 0, sine pi 0, sine 2 pi 0. Every multiple of pi it becomes 0. You know very well. Sine 180 degrees 0, which I am using the formula of sine 3a. I am able to get the answer here. I am able to get the value here. Okay. Next problem here, it goes like this. Using a suitable formula, find the value of cos 135 degrees. Cos 135 degrees. What I will do is, I will write it as cos 3 into 45 degrees. Now just recall the formula. Cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, sorry. Therefore, instead of a I have 45 degrees. 4 cos cube 45 degrees minus 3 cos 45 degrees. Therefore, this is 4 into 1 by root 2 the whole cube minus 3 into 1 by root 2. This is anyway 4 into 1 by 2 root 2 minus 3 by root 2, which is 2 by root 2 minus 3 root 2, which is reduced to minus 1 by root 2. Therefore, cos 135 degrees can be, the final answer is minus 1 by root 2. Just listen carefully, for verification, what I will do here is, I can very well write this is 180 degrees minus 45 degrees. 180 degrees is an even multiple of 90 degrees. For any even multiple 90 degrees plus theta or minus theta, function remains the same and the sign becomes SIGN. Plus or minus sign depends upon the quadrant in which the angle lies. Therefore, it's an angle in the second quadrant. Second quadrant cosine is negative. This is minus cos 45, which is minus 1 by root 2. This is the way to just verify. This is only a verification. I repeat, cos 135 degrees can be written as cos of 3 into 45 degrees. Just use the formula cos 3 as 4 cos cube by minus 3 cos a. Instead of a, I have 45 degrees here. 4 cos cube 45 degrees minus 3 cos 45 degrees. Now for 4 into 1 by root 2 the whole cube minus 3 into 1 by root 2. 4 into 1 by 3, 2 root 2 minus 3 by root 2. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 by root 2 minus 3 by root 2 becomes minus 1 by root 2. Now cos 135 degrees becomes minus 1 by root 2. Just for verification, I write it as 180 degrees minus 45 degrees. Cos 180 degrees minus theta is nothing but minus cos theta, being an angle in the second quadrant, cosine is negative. And for minus cos 45 is nothing but minus 1 by root 2. This is just a verification how whether you got the answer is correct or wrong. Just last one what I did is just a verification. We're using multiple angle formula. Okay, using a multiple angle formula, you have to get the value of cos 135 degrees. Similarly, using a suitable formula, find tan 180 degrees can be written as tan 3 into 60 degrees. Just recall the formula. Tan 3a is 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. This is the formula meant for tan 3a. Therefore, this is 3 tan 60 degrees minus tan cube 60 degrees divided by 1 minus 3 tan square 60 degrees. You know very well tan 60 degrees value is root 3. Now for here I mean to say 3 into root 3 minus root 3 the whole cube by 1 minus 3 into root 3 the whole square. Therefore this will be 3 root 3 minus, anyway again 3 root 3 here, divided by 1 minus, anyway this is 27, is it right? Yeah. Therefore anyway this is reduced to 0. Tan is also becoming 0 at every multiple of pi. I repeat, tan 180 degrees can be written as tan 3 into 60 degrees. Just recall the formula of tan 3a. Tan 3a 3 tan a minus tan cube a 1 minus 3 tan square a. Instead of a I have 60 degrees. Therefore 3 tan 60 degrees minus tan cube 60 degrees by 1 minus 3 tan square 60 degrees. 3 into root 3 minus root 3 whole cube 1 minus 3 into root 3 the whole square. 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 by 1 minus 27. Here it is reduced to 20. Anyway, it is a non-zero quantity in the denominator. 0 by a non-zero quantity becomes 0. Therefore, I end up with automatically tan 180 degrees to be 0 degree. Tan 180 degrees is 0. Answer is 0. No, not 0 degree. Tan 180 degrees gets reduced to 0. Answer is 0. Okay, rest we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you students for patience. By mistake I said 0 degree at the end. It is not 0 degree. The answer is 0. Okay. Thank you students for patient watching. Small correction. In the last problem, for tan 180 degrees, it is tan 3 into 60 degrees. So 3 tan 60 degrees minus tan cube 60 degrees by 1 minus 3 tan square 60 degrees. 3 into root 3 minus root 3 whole cube 1 minus 3 into root 3 the whole square. 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 by 1 minus 9. By mistake I wrote it as 27 here. Make the correction and learn. Okay, the final answer doesn't get changed because of this. By mistake I wrote it as 27 here. It is not 3 into 9, it is 3 into 3. Sorry. Therefore it is 0 by a non-zero quantity gets reduced to 0. I repeat, instead of 9 I wrote minus 27 here. That's a small correction here. See the correction and then learn. Thank you students.